Today we're making a full cover of Attention by Charlie Puth. This is one of my favourite songs growing up, so I'm excited to jump into it. I'm going to show you every layer and then do a full sing through right at the end. Let's get started. That's all the layers, let's sing the song. Before I do, shout out to all my members, they're on screen now. On Christmas Eve, I'm doing a members only live, so join to be there.
You been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You been going around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I'd be your one. I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all up on you, what you expect. But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. You just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. You been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Baby, now that we're right and standing face to face, you already know that you've won. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all upon you, what you expect. But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. You just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? What are you doing to me? What are you doing now? I know that jazz is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all upon ya, what you expect. But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention,